The Managing Director of IT Solutions company Transnumeric, Mody-Oury says businesses that do not adopt technology in their operations risk being extinct soon. He argues that such entities stand a chance of being put out of business by their counterparts who have first mover advantage by migrating onto ICT solutions. The pandemic brought about new habits and ways of doing things, from the wearing of nose masks to the frequent use of sanitizers, social distancing, among others. Not only did it change our everyday life, it also affected how we did business.
We couldn't be in the office to do meetings, get documentation with stamps, approval, with all the process, all the process management that we used to have. Checks and signature was impossible. We have to figure out how to pay our suppliers, put things in the mail, because the government put us back into our house. We were facing challenges all over the place. So how things will work without validating if people are present or not at their job physically, because we were controlling by physically controlling people and not by a goal and achievement.
Ghana has experienced significant penetration of digital solutions since the outbreak of the pandemic, with many opting for such solutions as a preventive measure in the pandemic period. In speaking to Citi Business News on the sidelines of a workshop organized by Transnumeric, the managing director of the IT solutions company says businesses who do not tag along the digitization drive may lose their relevance in no time.
Currently, it's a simple question. You adapt technology or you die. Because things have changed so fast that if you don't adopt them, the competitor will come over and take your market share. So for me, it's a necessity.
He further added that his outfit was well able to deliver solutions to suit such companies and their specific needs.
We have a role of an enabler. What we do, we work with company, understand their needs, and we have local employee that can come because there's a cultural barrier and languages that is broken because we are local, and then we take their need and we learn them and teach them how to use the digital transformation if they don't know so, and voila. And currently we have everything related to the cloud services. We have our own software on asset management. We also have a consultancy and training system because we know that once we deliver products, we have to help people and empower them to use it well. And also, as I mentioned, we have a training center to be built on 2022. So our goal here is to have a positive impact on a social level, economic level.
However, how much of a difference do the products delivered by Transnumeric make in the business space? Here is one of their customers.
It is indeed a game changer in the sense that you are moving from manual processes or semi-manual processes to more efficient, streamlined ways of getting your workflows working. And one of the things that we benefited from this process was to be able to integrate all the mini modules of our organization. So whether sales, supply chain, vendor management, and finance, all on one platform that would make it easier to have, one, visibility, and two, insights to be drawn from it